Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the newest guide on how to share your Todoist projects with external stakeholders, a vital skill in today's remote collaboration environment. First up, you'll need to open your Todoist app and navigate to the specific project you want to share. The reason we do this is to ensure we're sharing the correct project with the right people. It's all about accuracy and precision, friends. Now that we've done that, let's move to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share icon. This is your go-to button for inviting others to view or collaborate on your projects. So click on that and let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll see a pop-up window where you can enter the email addresses of your external stakeholders. This is the section where you get to decide who gets access to your project. But remember, with power comes responsibility. Only share with those who truly need access. Once you've entered the emails, you'll need to set their access level. Todoist gives you two options: full access or comment only. Full access allows users to add, complete, and modify tasks, while comment only allows users to add comments to the tasks. This helps us because it allows us to control what our external stakeholders can do within our projects. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Once you've set up the permissions and hit invite, Todoist will send an email invitation to the stakeholders. They can then click on the link in the email to access the project. Finally, always remember to review the list of people you've shared the project with. You can do this by clicking on the Share icon again. It will show you a list of all the people who have access to your project and their respective permission levels. This is crucial because it gives you a chance to double-check your sharing settings and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to sharing your Todoist projects with external stakeholders. It's not just about sharing, it's about collaborating effectively and efficiently. So remember, open the project, click Share, enter emails, set permissions, and always review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.